Hi, Valfrania here. I have decided to use Retique It Liquid Wood to finish the top of this sideboard. I have light wood and dark wood. I have my Renaissance Innovations brush that is from the same company that provides you with the Retique It Liquid Wood. And I have 3 different types of graining tools. These are the soft rubber. There are some out there that are hard plastic. I don't care for those. I've tried to use those. They don't work as well as these. So if you're going to be putting the grain look into your Retique It, then I suggest you use this kind. What I do is I lay down a layer of light wood first and then dark wood over that, and that's when I do the graining. Here we go. We will do the first layer of the light wood. I stirred it really well, and now I'm just going to put a nice layer down.